Hi folks, Robert here, and last week we spent 4 days at Autodesk University in New Orleans, Louisiana. It was very nice. Had a big crowd here. There's a showroom, nice cars. I'm not sure what that is, but wow, it's nice. And this is a pretty good thing, convention. Um, Here goes another. This is an Aston Martin. They had a lot of cars in here on display. And then the classes were great. As you can see, we're in class here, and the classes are going to be available online for your convenience. So here, and then here's a friends I met there, Jeff Lusk and TopCon Solutions. They're Autodesk partner, and these guys they do global positioning technology. And here we had 10 people at this AU University. It was good, but I think Autodesk dropped the ball on the food. They couldn't figure out how to way to feed 10,000 people. We actually ran out of food, and they had local vendors and places that we were allowed to get food for free. So that was pretty good, but I think Vegas handled that well. But then again, I can't really say because when I went to Vegas, we had maybe 4,000 to 6,000 people. This place could definitely handle the crowd because we had 10,000. It's just a lot of walking and stuff. And there we go. So now I'm going to get back into our training. Excuse me. So we're going to do our stair here. Let's just do this right quickly. We're going to be center run 4 feet wide, and I'm going to go from here. Go here. 1 second. I want to do that again. Okay. Let's try this. So we're going to place this stair right here. We're going to run from here. And I want to go with about hopefully 12 remaining will do where I want to go with this. Yes. So there's our stair now. Now what we want to do now, we want to select, okay, this is going to, let's bring this over a little bit here. Okay, I want to undo that. Not yet. That's fine. So this one we're going to bring over just a slight bit here. So we'll just make this 4. Okay, now what we want to do here, I want to show you how we're going to change this landing here. So I'll select the landing, and I'll select convert here. And we'll say close. And now I'm going to edit this sketch. So I'm going to take this line out. And I want to go with the arc just to get us a little. So go from here to here. It will bring this out at about 9 feet radius. That's good right there. And then we want to finish that. Okay, and there's our stairs now. Let's see what that's going to look like. Okay. Okay, so just wanted to show you how to do these stairs that we've been working on from level 1. And now we're going to go up to our second level here. And I'm going to finish that. Now this can all be railing along here, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to say actually, I'm going to leave it there, come back in the next video and do our railing because I want to show you how to do some other things with this railing because I don't particularly like it. We need to adjust that and that. But hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe. It helps me make videos like this every day. Thanks and be safe. Bye.